You love the tree? It's beautiful.
All right, Mom, you gonna do your tour?
I am.
I gotta go meet my concrete guy,
Okay.
so get some video.
We're
Actually,
starting
let me
now.
put you on half. That way you get a better view.
Oh, okay.
Fun.
Too fancy for me. Okay, Lizzy, you gonna show me how to what they've done? Come on. What's that in your hand? I love the white brick though. White brick looks great. Come on in. There we go. So oh, our old piano's in here. Ah. I don't even know what this is, Lizzy. You think so? Oh, that's where the extra refrigerator and maybe the laundry room, I guess. I like, it's all cleaned up. Okay, this is the view if we were out in the living room that I just showed you. This is the side door to go to, well, we'll check that out later. But anyway, oh, they put bifold doors into the other room, which I'm not sure how they're going to use it. I think it's going to be used for a lot of things. Maybe Alex's office, I don't know. Or a bedroom, or... I mean, you can go two different directions and go straight to the... This is nice. Oh my gosh, it looks so different. The wood... What are you doing? Come on over here. Did you hurt your hand? Come on. Here's the kitchen. Oh, what a great view from when you walk through the front door. Kitchen's getting close. Oh, I thought he wasn't going to do new cabinets. They look like new cabinets. Yeah, so they have to put the stove in, oven and stove. Looks great. What do you think? Oh, I like that there's no steps. I think there was a step here before. Since my eyesight is going. What a fabulous view. Well, minus the saw. You like it too? Show me this other room. Look at this, Lizzy. It's so beautiful out here. Let's turn it this way. Wow. Oh my goodness. Such an awesome. This is from right where that fence is, all the way around to the other side of the shed is the property. I think I'm going to be over here visiting a lot.
I want to know limbo.